excited. You know, we're finally nearing the day where we can show all of you what we've worked so hard on. So, sobra akong excited. Sana excited din kayo.
Kasi direct Irene kaya.
Nervyos at excited.
Okay.
Sabay.
Kanina magkausap kami backstage. Sabi ko sa kanya, Ann, Echo, bongga mo, kayo lang ang Valentine's movie, ha?
Oo nga.
Yes! Kayo lang!
Na Filipino.
Filipino. Binanggit nga niya yung Hollywood, sabi ko, direct naman. Siyempre, panoorin namin yung The Loved One, di ba?
Yes, thank you.
I'm so excited. Okay, first question. Kasi tinatanong niyo sa trailer parang, who's the lover, who's the loved one? Ang gusto ko malaman sa inyong anim, are you the lover or are you more of the loved one?
Walang gusto sumagot.
Wala gusto sa pagod.
Sige, let's start with Max. Max, ikaw muna.
Well naman, nakamas.
Hirap naman sagutin kasi single ako eh. Pero, kidding aside, I think na ako yung nagmamahal.
Oh.
With regard to all relationships in my life, whether it's a romantic one, a family member, or friendships, I like to take pride in the fact that I like to give.
Give love. I love it. Luis.
Tingin ko ako yung the loved one.
Wow!
Hindi kasi, sinabi ko nga nung tinanong ako, yung wife ko, sa dami ng mga, I'm older than her by 14 years eh.
Whoa.
So, sa dami ng mga pinagdaanan ko mga kagaguhan sa buhay, she made me a better person than who I was before.
I love that.
Grabe na, ang lalim ka agad. Diba? Ian, ikaw naman.
I think definitely I like giving love, so I'm the lover.
Oh,
The lover.
Lover boy.
Yeah.
Ikaw ang nagbibigay din.
Yes, I
Like
think
Max.
it's a very brave thing to love people.
O yan, ganda nun ah. It's a very brave thing to love people. Direk, ikaw, I'm curious.
Gagayahin ko yung sabi ng manager ko, loveless. So I'm open to be the lover and the loved one.
Iba din sumagot ng director ninyo ah. Okay, Jericho, ikaw, are you the lover or are you more of the loved one?
Lover.
Lover boy.
Lover. But on certain days, also the loved one. Pero recently, tinuturuan ko yung sarili ko to receive love. I've been so used to, giving and giving and giving and giving. Pero may difficulty yung minsan receiving. So this time around, I'm learning to be the loved one.
Ganda. Miss Curtis?
I'm gonna say siguro a little bit of both because one, it takes a lot to love a crazy Aquarius like myself. So if you end up loving someone like me, I mean, it knows that you really love me, so the loved one. But when that happens, I give so much love. Hence, I become the lover.
Galing! Ganda. Parang Miss Universe sumagot, ha? Iba din, ha? Okay. Ito lang, para lang malaman ng ating friends from the press. I'm so curious. Months back, I spoke to Jericho. I interviewed him. And nadulas siya, nabanggit niya na he's doing a project with you. Gusto ko malaman, gusto naming malaman, how did it start? Etong project ninyo. Sinong nag-invite? Sinong nag-initiate? Direk, anong nauna? Kwento o cast? Go ahead.
Nauna yung kwento kasi 2018 ko pa siya sinulat. So, pre-pandemic concept and then marami siyang pinuntahan. Producers, actors, and then the pandemic happened and everything stopped until kinuha ng Cornerstone and then naghanap kami, saka ulit naghanap. And then I asked Echo, may kwento yon na nasa inbox niya lang to for some time.
No way!
Tapos, when Echo was in sa siya na lang magkikwento nung paano
Okay.
kami nagkita.
So hanggang doon tayo.
Hanggang doon yun.
Nasa inbox ni Jericho ang script.
Ang script, Tapos si Ann naman kasi, lagi kaming nagko-communicate. So, if I have something crazy, I know Ann will get me. So, she read the script and she gets the whole concept.
Okay. Alright, Catriona Gray is here. Joining us. Tinawag ko na para dire-diretso na tayo. Alright. Bago natin ituloy yung kwentuhan about the concept, the story, Kat, bati ka muna please to everybody!
Hello mga yearners! Hi! I'm so sorry I'm running late, but I'm so happy that I could habol. Thank you so much sa pagpunta nyo, and I'm so excited, of course, to be a part of this incredible project, The Loved One. Kumusta kayong lahat?
We're good! Okay, humabol ka na kasi tumatagay na kami dito. Are you more of the lover or are you more of the loved one?
Dito naman sa kwento ng The Loved One.
No,
okay?
in real life.
In real life! Ay, okay.
Sabi sa'yo, tagay agad dito eh. Habol ka, Kat.
Agad-agad. Siguro ako yung the lover. I'm a very loving person. I really am very affectionate.
Okay. Wait, naka-color-coded kayo. Ano ibig sabihin nito? Parang blue dito, maroon dito. May ibig sabihin ba yan? Ah!
My dance prod. Charap.
Okay. So, nabitin tayo sa kwento ni Direk Irene. Nagsimula yun na kay Jericho na yung script, nasa inbox niya, and then lagi naman kayo nag-uusap ni Anne when something crazy comes up. Jericho, we go to you. Nakita mo ba agad sa inbox mo yung script?
Oo.
Okay.
Ito kagad. Nakita ko, tapos sabi ko ayoko muna mag-love story.
Oh!
Pero
What year was this?
24, 25? Mga ganon. But,
Early 2024 daw. Okay.
yeah. And then nag-date kami ni Direk Irene. Kami muna yung nag-date. And then we got to know each other, and then, and I said, let me read the script. And then after reading the script, wala na, I couldn't resist it. Yeah, and then I said, let's look for the right person. So I offered myself to be the hunter. Pero in-offer ko siya, yung story, in-offer ko siya kay Piolo, in-offer ko kay Gerald Anderson. I was declined many times.
Okay.
And
Sayang,
that's-
parang heated rivalry na
I know.
sana.
That's the only time I realized it had to be a female.
Okay.
I love heated rivalry.
I know, we all love it. Okay, we toss now to Anne. Paano ka nahanap? Paano ka napa-oo to do this?
You know, working with Direk Irene, you know nga, we get each other's craziness.
Okay.
And it was like one random night, I messaged her and I told her like, you know, I'm looking for something a little bit more mature when it comes to, you know, telling a story about where love can lead you. And then that's when she said, you know what, I have a script, ready na siya, may catch lang siya. At ko, ano yung catch? Sabi niya, may leading man na. Sabi ko, sino yung leading man? Sino yan? Sabi niya, si Jericho. And you know, working with Jericho has always been so easy. And, you know, so we reconnected. Para lang, so we reconnected again. And then a year after we started filming. So,
Wow.
a year, no? A year after.
Ayan, nag-meeting muna kami. And then, since schedule-wise, parang hindi pa yun yung timing. But we had a great night na parang getting to know na ulit, tapos with a kwento. After that, sabi ko, I have the patience of a chair. I texted them. And I will wait for you guys to finish whatever it is that you're doing. Tapos, a year after yon, shoot kami, 2025.
It's always God's good time naman eh, di ba? May right time for everything. Para si Catriona, paano siya napapili to join and jump in the boat?
It's her debut!
I know!
First time na nag-yes ako sa pelikula.
Actress era siya ngayon.
But of course, I really admire Direk Irene to start off with. We have run-ins all the time at the office. I really love her energy, and siguro meron akong feeling that you would really walk me through it, and she really did. And of course, when I heard who the other cast was, I'm very flattered naman to be considered as a very newbie. So it was an incredible experience for me. Everyone was so kind and accommodating. Now, they really didn't have to be, but I think it's just a testament to who they are as people and also who they are as actors. So I'm very proud to be a part of this as my first acting stint. But it is a really beautiful story, and siguro that was the biggest reason na bakit nag-yes ako.
Okay, before